Have you ever sat alone in a quiet room and felt like the silence was screaming? The clock ticks, the fridge hums, and your heart quietly wonders, is this it? Is this how it's all going to be? Growing old doesn't hurt as much as growing invisible does. But I want to tell you something today. You're not forgotten. You're not alone. And this is not the end. In fact, what if this chapter of your life became the most meaningful one yet? Let's talk about 6 powerful ways to deal with loneliness in old age. Ways that can help you feel seen again, heard again, and deeply loved again. Because no matter your age, you still matter. Way 1, rebuild routine and purpose. When we lose our daily routine, we don't just lose structure. We lose the anchor that holds our day in place. A simple walk, watering a plant, writing a thought in your journal. These tiny acts become rituals of healing. They whisper, you still have a reason to wake up. You still have purpose. Even if no one is watching, your life is still meaningful. Way 2, make peace with solitude. There's a gentle difference between being alone and being lonely. Solitude can be your teacher, your friend. If you stop fearing the quiet, light a candle, play your favorite music, feel the warmth of your teacup, look outside and see the world still turning just for you. This moment right here is yours. You are enough, even when no one else is around. Way 3, connect beyond blood, build a chosen family. Maybe your family is far away. Maybe some people have left your life or forgotten to call. But you're still here. And the world is full of people who'd love to know you. Join a group. Volunteer. Share your stories. You're not just someone's past. You could be someone's safe place, their present, their friend. You can create a new kind of family, one made of laughter, kindness, and shared tea. Don't wait. Reach out. Way 4, embrace technology to stay in touch. I know it can feel overwhelming at first, but this small screen in your hand, it's a window, a bridge to faces you haven't seen in years, to voices that miss you more than you know. One message, one call, one emoji even, can remind someone that you're still here. Let the world back in, because it's been waiting to hear from you. Way 5, practice gratitude and small joys daily. When the days feel slow, the heart begins to ache. But gratitude changes everything. Did you hear the birds this morning? Did the tea taste just a little sweeter today? Did the sun warm your face, even for a minute? Write it down. Whisper thank you. Gratitude turns even the quietest day into something sacred. Way 6, seek help without shame. Let's say this clearly together. There is no shame in needing help. Not at 25. Not at 65. Not ever. Support groups. Therapists. Old friends you haven't spoken to in years. Help is love in action. And you deserve love. Asking for help isn't weakness. It's wisdom. It's courage. It's saying I'm still here and I still matter. Closing message, gentle and hopeful. Listen to me. You may feel forgotten, but you are unforgettable. You may feel unseen, but your light still shines. You are still powerful, still full of stories, still capable of laughter, love, and peace. Don't let the silence lie to you. The world needs what's in your heart. This chapter